Something massive is happening at Higgsfield. We're tracking the early signals for the upcoming release of Seedance 2.0. And if the rumors are true, this is going to change how we make AI video forever. Higgsfield is on a mission to be the most creator-friendly platform out there, and today we're diving into exactly what you can expect from their next big leap. If you have been following the AI video space even a little bit this week, you have probably felt the ground shaking. There's a massive update coming from one of the fastest-growing Gen AI companies in the world, Higgsfield. They are preparing to drop Seedance 2.0. Now, Higgsfield has one clear mission: to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. And early signals across the internet, from Twitter leaks to Reddit threads, are pointing to something absolutely huge. We're talking about a potential overhaul in how we generate video, how we control motion, and even how we handle audio. Today, I'm going to save you the research time. I've dug through the announcements, the tweets, and the community buzz to break down exactly what Seedance 2.0 is, why it might set a new bar for AI storytelling, and most importantly, how you can get first access. Let's dive in. Before we look at the future, let's quickly look at where we are right now so you can understand the jump we're about to make. I'm here on Higgsfield.ai. If you haven't used it yet, the workflow is already impressive. Right now, I can type in a prompt, select my aspect ratio, and get a solid generation. The current model, let's call it the 1.5 era, is great for quick ideation and distinct visual styles. But like all AI tools right now, creators have specific pain points. We want more consistency. We want sound. We want complex movement without the AI hallucinating weird limbs. This is good, but according to the early signals for Seedance 2.0, what is coming next is going to make this look like ancient history. Okay, let's look at the evidence. This is the official Seedance 2.0 Coming Soon page. Just looking at the technical preview, there are a few key words here that should make every filmmaker excited. First up, Multimodal Input Mixing. The rumors suggest support for up to 12 mixed files simultaneously. Imagine uploading a character reference image, a video of yourself dancing, a specific audio track, and a text prompt, all at once. The model understands how to blend them into one cohesive output. This is the death of prompt guessing games. I jumped into this thread on Reddit to see what the community is buzzing about. A lot of people are talking about native audio-visual generation. Seedance 2.0 isn't just watching, it is listening. It appears to generate audio and video simultaneously. So if a character is walking, the footsteps match the pace. If you're in a forest, the ambient sound adapts to the scene. It's a unified workflow. And look at this teaser from CapCut. This hints at in-model editing. The word on the street is that Seedance 2.0 supports prompt-based editing without full regeneration. You could swap a character, change a background, or extend a clip just by typing it. No more re-rolling the dice and hoping for the best. And regarding quality, we're hearing about 1080p native output and a 30% speed increase compared to the previous Pro model. Faster rendering, higher resolution. That's the combo we've been waiting for. But talk is cheap. Let's look at what early access users are actually posting. Check out this clip from Jinghui Dong on X. Look at the texture on the skin and the lighting consistency. But more importantly, look at the character consistency. The big breakthrough with Seedance 2.0 seems to be that facial features and outfits remain locked. You build the character once, and you can use them across multiple shots. And look at the motion here. This is what they call advanced motion synthesis. We're expecting 5 to 12-second clips where athletic movements and complex choreography actually look physically realistic. No more floating feet or rubber limbs. This brings us to multi-shot storytelling. The goal of Seedance 2.0 is to generate narrative sequences that flow. Scene A connects logically to Scene B. It's like having a professional editor inside the AI. Now, a quick reality check. Everything I just showed you is based on public signals, early reports, and community discussions as of February 2026. The official specs for Seedance 2.0 aren't fully confirmed yet, and features can always change before the final launch. But here's my take. If Seedance 2.0 delivers on even half of these rumors, multimodal inputs, native audio, and consistent characters, it's going to be a massive upgrade from the 1.5 era. It solves the biggest problem in AI video: control. You don't want to be late to this party. If you want to be among the first to test Seedance 2.0, you need to sign up for access right now. I've dropped the official link in the description below and pinned it in the comments. Go there, sign up for the waitlist, and keep your eyes on your inbox. Higgsfield is moving fast, and you want to be there when this drops. Let me know in the comments, which feature are you most hyped for, the audio sync or the character consistency? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next generation.